Verb plus adverb magic. Mastering advanced collocations in English. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to dive deep into the realm of verb plus adverb collocations in English. Collocations, as you may know, are combinations of words that frequently appear together, sounding more natural to native speakers. Our focus today will be on how verbs and adverbs come together to create these special collocations. To begin with, it's important to understand the magic of verb plus adverb collocations. Verbs, as we know, are words that express actions, while adverbs usually describe how those actions are performed. When used together, these pairs can greatly enhance the clarity and vividness of your speech or writing. For example, in the sentence, "She whispered softly," whispered is the verb and softly is the adverb that describes how the action was performed. The collocation, whispered softly, paints a clearer picture in the reader's or listener's mind. Let's explore some common verb plus adverb collocations. 1. Laugh loudly. The joke was so funny, we all started to laugh loudly. 2. Smile brightly. She smiled brightly when she saw the surprise we had prepared for her. 3. Speak softly. In the library, we must speak softly to avoid disturbing others. Remember, the secret to mastering these collocations is frequent use and practice. Now, let's try to create some sentences using verb plus adverb collocations. It's quite straightforward. Choose a verb, pair it with an appropriate adverb, and construct a sentence around them. Let's try a few. 1. Run quickly. Seeing the approaching bus, John started to run quickly towards the bus stop. 2. Listen carefully. In order to learn a new language, you should listen carefully to the native speakers. 3. Work diligently. To achieve your goals, you must work diligently every day. Feel free to create your own sentences using these or other verb plus adverb collocations. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And there we have it. I hope you now have a better understanding of verb plus adverb collocations. Remember, they are a powerful tool to enrich your English and make it sound more natural and fluent. So, don't be shy to use them in your conversations, essays, or emails. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to practice, and practice some more. Until next time, happy learning!